Let's see. I think I got 2 left. I can shoot at them without them knowing. I will do one at a time. And try not to... This is what I'm shooting. I don't know what the hell it is. And there's neighbors out here, but this one feels really loose, like it might fall off, but we'll find out. Hold on. Let's see, how am I going to light this and hold the camera at the same time? I'm going to have to hold this here for a second. Light it. And put the camera on it. Oh. Wrong direction. Try one more time. Let's see. There we go. Some afterburn. Smoke. A little bit of my hair. Yeah, it stinks. Oh, not a good idea. But that was for you, Paul Halsey. Love you, brother.